Before deciding to buy Podio for your accounting needs, there are 12 key things you should know. Podio might seem like a great option at first, but let's break down the pros and cons and see how it compares to other popular accounting tools like QuickBooks or Xero. First off, Podio is more than just accounting software. It's a flexible work management tool that includes features like project management, team collaboration, and workflow automation. While it's not strictly an accounting solution, it's highly customizable, which can be an advantage if you want to build a solution that fits your exact needs. Next, the pricing. Podio uses a subscription-based pricing model, which means you'll pay monthly or annually. However, unlike some other accounting software options, Podio doesn't offer a dedicated accounting package. So, if you're expecting something like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, where everything's laid out in a specific accounting structure, Podio may feel a bit more scattered. The third thing to note is customization. One of Podio's strengths is its ability to be tailored. You can add various integrations and even create custom apps to suit your business needs. However, that level of customization can require more setup time, and for users not familiar with configuring software, it could be a steep learning curve. Now let's talk about user-friendliness. Unlike some accounting software like Xero, which is intuitive for those new to accounting, Podio's interface can be overwhelming for beginners. It's not designed specifically for accountants, so you might find yourself spending more time configuring the system than actually using it. The fifth thing to know is its strong integration capabilities. Podio integrates with many third-party apps like Zapier, Google Drive, and Dropbox. While that's great for businesses that need to sync data across multiple platforms, you'll need to ensure that the integrations you need for accounting purposes are available, as it doesn't offer built-in accounting features like invoicing or payroll. The sixth thing is its scalability. Podio works well for both small businesses and larger teams, but as your business grows, you may encounter limits on reporting and accounting features that you would typically find in a dedicated accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. If you expect your accounting needs to get more complex, this might be a limitation. The seventh thing is Podio's mobile app. It allows you to manage projects and tasks on the go, which is a huge benefit for businesses with teams that need remote access. However, when it comes to accounting, the mobile app isn't as robust as something like QuickBooks Online, which gives you full access to accounting features directly from your phone. Next, the customer support. Podio offers customer support through email and an extensive knowledge base. However, some users report that getting quick responses can be a challenge. This is something to consider compared to software like Xero, which has more immediate support channels. The ninth thing to know is Podio's reporting. While you can create custom reports, the native reporting features aren't as sophisticated as what you'd get with other accounting tools. Podio allows some financial tracking, but lacks advanced reports like profit and loss or balance sheets, which are standard with tools like QuickBooks. The 10th thing to consider is security. Podio uses standard encryption protocols, which is good, but it doesn't have the same level of industry-specific certifications as some accounting platforms. If you're dealing with highly sensitive financial data, you might feel more secure with software like Xero, which is heavily compliant with financial industry standards. 11th, the level of automation. Podio allows workflow automation, which can save time, especially in project management tasks. However, it doesn't automate accounting tasks as seamlessly as other tools. If you need more automation, like automatic tax calculations or invoicing, a dedicated accounting tool would be more effective. Lastly, Podio's community. Podio has a decent user community and plenty of tutorials. However, if you're used to the strong user bases of QuickBooks or Xero, you might find Podio's community smaller and less tailored to accounting-specific discussions. So, is Podio a good option for accounting? It can be, especially if you want flexibility and are willing to invest the time to set it up. But if you're looking for something with more direct accounting features out of the box, you might want to consider our recommended solution, which you can try for free.